Imagine measuring every civilization not by culture or history, but by their command over energy. This is the Kardashev Scale, created by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev in the 1960s, a way to compare civilizations by their ability to harness nature's power. Humanity is at the very beginning a Type 0 civilization, just learning to wield energy on Earth. Today, we'll journey through the 9 levels of the Kardashev Scale, from our humble start to the heights of cosmic mastery. Type 0 is where we find ourselves, a civilization in its infancy, just beginning to understand the immense power at our fingertips. We rely heavily on fossil fuels, the ancient remains of life, and only recently have we started to embrace fledgling renewables like solar and wind. Our journey is just beginning. Our cities shimmer with artificial light, illuminating the night, but these glowing webs are fragile. They're powered by resources that pollute our air and water and are destined to run out if we don't change course. The energy that sustains our lives is both a marvel and a warning. We're only beginning to tap into cleaner sources like solar and wind, but these make up just a tiny fraction of our total energy use. The potential is vast, yet we've only scratched the surface. The promise of a cleaner future is there, waiting for us to seize it. Natural disasters, scarcity and inefficiency define this stage. Our dependence on limited resources leaves us vulnerable to the forces of nature and the consequences of our own actions. The challenges are immense, but so is our capacity to adapt. Yet our curiosity and drive to solve problems plant the seeds for progress. Every experiment, every brainstorm, every collaboration brings us closer to solutions that could transform our world. Innovation is born from necessity and hope. The internet connects us across continents. Science empowers us to ask bigger questions, and our dreams stretch beyond the clouds, reaching for the stars. We are more connected and ambitious than ever before. To move forward, we must cooperate globally and innovate beyond tradition. Only by working together, sharing knowledge, and daring to imagine new possibilities can we hope to rise above the limitations of Type 0 and shape a brighter future for all. Type 1 means mastering all the energy available on Earth. Imagine a world where energy is abundant, disasters are controlled, and fossil fuels are history. Clean technologies harmonize with nature, and global systems protect us from catastrophe. Achieving this requires transcending tribalism and building institutions for all humanity. Our cities run on smart grids, industries recycle, and the biosphere thrives alongside us. At Type 1, humans will learn to extract energy from everything on the planet. Currently, the civilization of Type 1 is usually defined as one that can harness all the energy that falls on a planet from its parent star. They will be able to control earthquakes, tsunamis, and even the gravitational force. They will be able to generate electricity from almost everything on the planet. Humans will finally stop extracting minerals from the Earth's interior and become fully eco-friendly. Reaching Type 1 is about maturity, living within our planet's means and preparing for the cosmos. It's the hardest leap, but it sets the stage for everything to come. Type 2 civilizations are the true architects of their solar systems, harnessing the full energy output of their star, a feat that marks a turning point in technological evolution. Imagine constructing a Dyson Sphere, an immense structure that completely surrounds the Sun, capturing nearly all of its energy to power civilization on an unimaginable scale. With this boundless power, humanity could terraform barren planets like Mars, create thriving cities on distant moons, and mine asteroids for resources. Interplanetary travel would become as common as flying between cities on Earth today, and the threat of extinction from a single planetary catastrophe would fade as our species spreads across multiple worlds, building disaster-resistant habitats and stable colonies. Engineering on this colossal scale would push the boundaries of our knowledge, requiring new materials, advanced robotics, and unprecedented cooperation. Society itself would be transformed as people adapt to life on different planets and moons, forging new cultures and ways of living across the solar system. We would become true stewards of the entire solar system, managing energy flows and infrastructure that span every planet and moon. Habitats and probes would be scattered from the inner planets all the way to the distant Oort cloud, forming a vast network of exploration and habitation. Social structures would evolve, and the very definition of human might shift as genetic modifications and cybernetic enhancements become commonplace in space society. Yet, even with all this progress, this is only the beginning. Beyond our solar system, the galaxy itself awaits our exploration. To reach the heights of a Type 3 civilization, we must set our sights on the stars, embarking on journeys to other suns and distant worlds. Type 3 civilizations command the energy of an entire galaxy, billions of stars at their disposal. Fleets of starships, manipulation of black holes, and the reshaping of solar systems become possible. Humanity would colonize countless worlds, each with unique cultures and biology. Communication spans light years instantly, and the boundaries of biology blur with AI and post-human evolution. Managing a galactic society demands unimaginable innovation. The galaxy becomes a playground for creativity and engineering. Yet, beyond the stars, even greater mysteries call us onward. Type 4 civilizations transcend their own galaxy, harnessing the energy of many galaxies. They manipulate space-time, use wormholes as highways, and shape the cosmic web itself. The line between natural and artificial blurs on a cosmic scale. Entire galaxies become laboratories, and the evolution of life is guided across millions of worlds. Time and the fundamental constants of physics become tools. But even the universe isn't the end. Type 5 civilizations explore the multiverse. The journey continues into realms beyond imagination. Type 5. Civilizations wield the energy of the entire universe, shaping the laws of physics themselves. They can create or destroy universes, alter the fabric of reality, and communicate across cosmic distances instantly. Nature and technology merge. Everything becomes a canvas for their creativity. The purpose of such power is unknowable. Science, art, and philosophy blend into something new. Even as masters of the universe, the question remains, what lies beyond? The multiverse beckons, and Type 6 awaits. Type 6 civilizations navigate and manipulate the multiverse, an infinite ensemble of realities. They traverse universes with different laws, constructing new realities at will. Existence itself becomes fluid, and knowledge spans every conceivable version of reality. The multiverse is their domain, limited only by imagination. With such power comes immense responsibility. Ethics and individuality evolve beyond recognition. Even here, there's more to explore. Type 7 emerges as the ultimate architect of all that is. Type 7 masters every form of existence, manipulating all realities and dimensions at will. They rewrite the rules of existence, blending or separating realities as desired. The distinction between civilization and cosmos disappears. They become the framework for all realities. Their scale of thought and creation is beyond comprehension. Even the wildest myths pale before what they achieve. Yet there's one final step, shaping the very laws that underlie all existence. Type 8. Civilizations shape the laws that govern all realities, existing beyond any framework we can conceive. They create universes from pure thought, design the scaffolding of possibility, and exist outside time and space. Their power is fundamentally unknowable, divinity in every sense. The journey up the Kardashev Scale is as much about imagination as engineering. Each step challenges us to redefine what's possible. Type 8 is a guiding vision, a North Star for our ambition. The climb never truly ends. There's always another horizon. As we reflect on this cosmic ladder, it's humbling to see how far we have to climb. The universe stretches out before us, vast and mysterious, reminding us of both our smallness and our potential for greatness. Each rung on this ladder represents not just technological progress, but a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Humanity stands at Type 0, facing daunting challenges but limitless potential. We are united by curiosity and the drive to explore, even as we confront obstacles that test our resolve and ingenuity. Even reaching Type 1 would be a monumental leap, demanding unity and wisdom. It will require us to work together as a global community, harnessing our collective knowledge and compassion to overcome the barriers that divide us. Our journey defines us, limited only by imagination and will. Every step forward is a testament to our creativity, our courage, and our relentless pursuit of the unknown. The future is unwritten, waiting for those bold enough to dream and act. It calls to the visionaries, the pioneers, and all who dare to believe in a brighter tomorrow. Perhaps one day our descendants will look back from the summit and marvel at how it all began, with a spark, a question, and the desire to reach for the stars. Their journey will be shaped by the choices we make today and the dreams we dare to pursue.